मैं पॉइंट बात कर रही हूँ, दिमाग में बहुत सारे गलत थॉट्स फिर आ रहे हैं, फिर डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है। मेरी फ्रेंड है भूमिका, शी स्टार्टेड अ ट्यूशन। आई वाज जस्ट ओनली थिंकिंग कि मैं करूँगी, क्योंकि मेरा टाइम ही वो है पड़ा। मुझे वो एमबीए कर रही थी, उसके एग्ज़ाम्स वगैरह हुए होंगे, मुझे नहीं पता। बट जो मैं सोचती हूँ लोग कर भी देते हैं, फिर मैं ये सोचती हूँ हमारी मैचिंग नहीं होती थिंकिंग। फिर मैं अपने आप को चेंज कर लेती हूँ, अपने गोल को। मेरे दिमाग में पूर्वी से चांद चल रही है, अलग पांडे सा चल रही है, वही सेम कंटिन्यूसली चले जा रहे हैं। नाउ कम बैक टू द टॉपिक, इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर इज लीगल फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ इंश्योरेंस इन इंडिया। हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं IRDA के बारे में। फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है IRDA के बारे में? मीन्स इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी। ठीक है, इसमें क्या हुआ था? मेरे आई वॉज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू correlate all things that was showing on the YouTube, but it is not possible. I hope that shown on the YouTube was not exactly look like that. I had a thought of Mitali Di. And can you imagine that in at that time I was not able to concentrate on the present day movement. I was just going to take some type of read from the shop, and I was feel that I am a new in that era and knew that place. I just go everywhere, but I whenever just going after some time I was feel I just go to sometime first time. I don't know why I was feeling just right now. So now just come back to the topic. I just share important things. Just I just watched a video. I watched a recent case on the YouTube from Delhi News. One brother and sister was a brother was killed by the, I don't know, his wife or whatever, but he was killed by his some other people very badly, brutally, by some knives and instruments. And in the second other case, I just seen and feeling so shameless how I live in that India where a mother and daughter is trying to kill her with biting on his body. I don't know, the video, I was so fearful, and I thought that what was I doing right now? And my study is in just out of the mind. I was doing nothing in my study. I just only waste time because uh, if I study, I just solve the problem of some type of people that who had not listened voice. Another problem, I just watched Tina Davi ma'am, the one of the greatest inspiration today for the girls especially. But my inspiration is, I don't know, Ella Pandisa right now. But Tina Dabi is a girl's inspiration, especially how she cracked the exam UPSC and now she was an officer. She was going to raid in a spa center. Can you imagine that? I also living in that. I don't want to mention where I live, but sometimes I feel that some people around us and very close, and we are no don't know. She looked like a very rich person from his personality and house, and I can't believe that how he or she doing whatever this type of work. So I don't I think that this type of information is not make video. If my parents know that he was said to that don't make video on these topics because these are very sensitive and uh, very critical cases. So I just started on topic IRDA. IRDA is very important amendment. It was just started in the 1999. So before IRDA, the controller of the insurance, some type of issuing license just I right now about first of all Insurance Act that was passed in 1938. 1938. After, I just give a format or diagram in the form of, in the A part, the Insurance Act was passed in 1938. Then initially it was just started, and A to B, this was the first diagram point, and B to C, the B point said B to see that some type of limitation or problem was faced by the Insurance Act company or insurance sector in India. So from C to D, I will just told about that the fundamentals over time. The sorry amendments, because sometimes the act was not very had a function or not very work. So there is some type of changes or amendment doing was that insurance company by the insurance some regulators. So that's why C to D point I was just this was amendments started. So D to E I just wrote down is that formation of IRDA. After that, after that there was some amendment was in 1999. Now the IRDA that was come at that point. So E to F, I just wrote down that new functioning start by this RDA regulators. First is issuing license. Every IRDA has a license to started his insurance company in India. Next, we have the IRDA. Some important function, just like a capital, proper capital started this insurance sector, and solvency. The company is solvent, not insolvent. The third one is that IRDA is eligible issuing registration certificate, very important. Every company who's applicable to try to insurance sector in India has must a registration certificate to start that company. After monitoring is checking out what are the functions that is performed by a particular company. So there are some monitoring activity like premium collection. I don't know what was a proper insurance company, but we are the common sense student that I know that what are doing by the insurance company: premium collection, claim settlement, debt settlement, investment of the funds. So these are all the function or monitoring activities by the insurance company. So IRDA also, if IRDA not got a registration certificate or not permission by some type of authority, sorry, if that I just give an example. This company, the Secure Life Limited company, for I this is a company. First of all, he got a certificate or license from IRDA. He had proper capital and insolvency background. After, he was eligible and registration certificate. After monitoring all the certificate and performing his functions, claim settlements, and investment of the funds. After that, he should have to it should have to be complete functions, and it possible, and anytime IRDA can monitoring his activities. And after that, IRDA can if the Secure Limited does not working properly, so IRDA can issue the directives and penalties. Of course, it is so. The main objective of the IRDA was that this function is very this system is very transparent for all the insurance sector company that who had very some time of doing illegal activities, and transparent. And should be control in the system, and structured system before the amendment, before the time that there was no changes, so their system was very complex. So that after that IRDA come in India or amendment, so the system was properly systematic in structure and controlled, and what was accountable, and consumer protection. I hope this point is understood. Next, we have the liquidity management. So liquidity management is very, very, very important. Just I open this. The literally meaning is we have to read only a technical way, because in this book a very technical language written by some author, and I read it whenever I was reading. Okay. So management liquidity management is very complicated, because yeah, it has a lot of rules and regulations. That way it was complex, and some people who are economists, accountants, said that it was very easy. No, it was very tough. So it is necessary to understand. So first is point that to manage the liquidity needs. What are the liquidity needs? Liquidity needs is amount of the cash that available for the uh, assets time to doing some assets. Liquidity management is, wait,